Hello everybody, welcome back to the Everybody channel. Today I'm going to be playing Hide and Seek Extreme. I think that's what it's called. I think I have it. Hide and Seek Extreme. Yeah, I'm playing Hide and Seek Extreme on my private server with Victor and Vincent. We played horror games with friends with Victor. Vincent's never been in a video. I just realized that. Okay, so this is his first time. First time being in a People of the World. Yeah, this is Vincent's first time being on my video. It's Victor's third. I think like 3 times it's been for Victor, and this is Vincent's first time being on my video. So it's gonna be exciting. So the object of this of this game is to find them. I think it's the third. Yeah. Yeah, this is Vincent's first time. So where are they? They have to be somewhere. I know, like someone has to be in these tires. Someone has to be. Because I haven't looked anywhere, but everywhere. But I mean, I've looked a lot of. Oh, okay. I was just killed by a. That's the third time he's been in one of my videos, I think. Yeah, it has. Yeah. Oh yeah, because we played Runner's Path and horror games with friends with him. So it's been the second time. I spent like already a minute of the video trying to figure out how many times my friends have been in my video. Wow, I just am useless. Hiya, Georgie. It's like, hiya, Georgie. I love it. I love the movie It. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Okay, I'm good. Back here. Where are all my friends? How I was bouncing up like that. I don't know. Wait. I can't even find it. I fail at this. I'm really bad at this, guys. I don't see him. It goes bouncing in plain sight. I'm like, no, you're not. Oh, wait, I see someone. I see Vincent. Oh, dang it. It's okay. Okay. Yes, the kitchen. I don't have like. Whoa. Wait, where the heck am I now? I should hide in the oven. There's a button in the oven. Whoa. Oh, heck. I'm gonna see if I can get onto the. Whoa. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, okay. Oh, I did it. Just barely, though. Ask me if I do this every day. I said barely. Oh, wait. Oh, what the, how the, what, huh? Oh, I should hide in that cabinet if I can even make it in there. Wait, I can. Okay, wait. Okay. Oh, wait, no, he's in here. Oh, no. Oh, God. Okay. Back here. Oh, that's actually a really good hiding spot. Okay. All right, so that's good. I was found. Oh, sorry. I'm opening slime because I can't just sit here and watch people play. I have to be doing something with my hands. It's called ADHD, people. Okay. Dictate me. Okay. Yep. He's in a cabinet. I know I made the game like not fun, but like still, yeah. I mean, ooh, oh, he just failed. I have too much fun ruining games for people. I just do. I've been listening to too much Panic at the Disco. What? He's just walking randomly. And not offended, I'm just joking, but still. Ow, I just bit my tongue. Charlie bit me. Don't give away my spots. Her, hardy har har. Cheating. Oh, I say too much. Okay, sorry. I was giving away all my spots. I'm just like, he's in a cabinet. He's like, don't come away my spots. I'm like, hardy har har. There's really nothing. Oh gosh. Like, Vincent could easily see him, though. I know one of them is probably going to be watching this video. Actually, probably both of them are going to be watching this video. Guys, if you're watching this video, I hate you. Okay. Bye. I don't actually hate them, just sometimes I hate them. Most of the time I hate them. Oh, okay, all the time. The Slimeyy ASMR, though. Oh, wait, he's over here. Get over here. I know all of your tricks. I want to play Frambo really bad. But I want to have nightmares. Let the sun rain down on me. Ooh, please let me be it. I want to 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 be. Aw, dang it. Again, if you're watching this video, hi, and I'll see you at school. It'll be uploaded. Oh no! It'll be uploaded by school. Yeah, it'll be uploaded by Tuesday. Oh my god! No! Oh no, okay, I'm stuck on the 4 now. Pretty sure. Okay, wait. Oh! This is a good hiding spot. Okay. Okay. Gee. No one's gonna find me. Dudes, I was found. Sorry, I was listening to music while I was waiting. It took so long. He caught me. He got Vincent though before me, so I didn't completely fail at life. I just partially failed. Oh, please don't. I don't want it to be me now. Oh, dang it. Okay. We can do this, guys. Even though I'm probably gonna fail. Oh, I hate this part. You just have to wait. I'm not gonna let you. I'm not gonna make you guys wait though. So I'm gonna pause. Okay, guys. I did it. I didn't do anything, but I escaped from my icy prison. Okay, occur. Where are these little pieces of crap? I'm so nice to my friends. Like, oh my god. I love to go. I love. Okay, if you guys didn't know, this is how. Ooh! I see you! I see you! I see you! I see you! Hardy har har. That's how I talk to my friends. We are, well, in our opinion, we're not being mean to each other. Occur. Ooh. I just need to find one more. Oh, hee. Hardy har har. I'ma find y'all. Probably in this box. Oh, wait. Oh, he wasn't in the box, but what's in the box? Okay, I'm not gonna get up there. It's too hard. But I will. Wait, was it him? Oh, dang it. Wait, was it? Okay, no. I need to find him though. Okay. Oh, where is he? I can't do pretty close. Okay, so I guess I'm close. I only have 3 more minutes recording time though, so after this round I'm gonna have to end the video. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, and oh yeah. I found him. Yee. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys like, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.